Good afternoon, friends. With you, the Time Trade channel. In this video, I will demonstrate to you the use of a trading tool based on artificial intelligence. If you correctly apply signals from the neural network, you can make a turbo boost deposit. Now I will open 5 trades using the bot. By the way, this tool can be tested without registration from any trading account. To do this, right now, follow the link in the description to the trading bot interface. Click the menu button, select the start command, and then click the test signals button. You will have the opportunity to test the neural network, and after that, get it for free and forever under the terms of the promotion. Details in this video. So let's get started. Now, in the bot interface, you see a list of currency pairs. I will choose a pair for this trading session. I will work with the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Expiration time, 1 minute. In the first trade, I will invest $500. In each subsequent trade, I will increase the investment amount by $500 to boost the deposit. Now, I return to the trading bot interface. Press the currency pair button and the expiration time button for 1 minute. The trading neural network makes an analysis, and as you can see, it gives a forecast that the price will go up. Now, I go to the pocket option broker, assess the situation on the market, and open a trade for a price increase. The main thing is to be able to correctly interpret signals from artificial intelligence. In this video, I will show 4 more trades in which I will use signals from the bot. I will open the second trade for $1,000 and will continue to increase the investment amount. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and, using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. As you can see, the first trade ended successfully. Well, great. Let's open a second trade for $1,000 using a signal from a neural network, and at the end of the video, we'll record the results of my trading session. Friends, I want to add that very soon I will release cool training material. You have the opportunity to get it for free. All you need to do is just join my team, follow the link in Telegram, subscribe, and get free training. This course explains in detail how to read a chart and learn how to use technical analysis for successful trading. A professional trader shows in practice the nuances of price movement and determines how areas of support and resistance affect the market. By the way, you can also additionally join my trading sessions, observe trading in practice, and learn to make smart trading decisions. Real trading is an effective way to adopt the experience of a professional. So write to me in private messages using the link in the description to study the market with me and gain experience. I do this for free. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. While this trading session is going on, I want to tell you about volatility and how it affects beginner traders from a psychological point of view. Volatility in the currency pairs market is the constant and often unpredictable change in prices, driven by a complex mix of economic news, interest rate decisions, geopolitical events, and even unexpected tweets or press releases from key financial institutions or politicans. This volatility is the lifeblood of the market. It's what creates opportunities for profit. But at the same time, it's a source of deep stress, especially for novice traders who are not yet emotionally prepared for the sudden ups and downs. The price of a currency pair can change in seconds, and this rapid movement often pushes beginners into making impulsive decisions out of fear, excitement, or the simple urge to not miss out. When a novice sees a sharp drop, panic kicks in. When they see a strong upward movement, greed takes over. Volatility doesn't just move the chart, it shakes the trader's mental state. The fear of losing money during unpredictable spikes or drops often leads to early exits from good trades or chasing losses through revenge trading. Many traders start second-guessing their strategies, even if those strategies were based on logic, simply because the market didn't move as expected in a short time frame. They confuse noise with signal, randomness with trend. And the more emotionally reactive a trader becomes, the more likely they are to drift away from any structured trading plan. To cope with volatile markets, it's essential to accept one fundamental truth. Unpredictability is part of the game. The key is not to eliminate volatility, but to work with it. This means sticking to a clear money management system, keeping risk per trade at an acceptable level, and knowing in advance how much you are willing to lose on a trade without letting emotions interfere. It also means having patience, waiting for quality setups instead of reacting to every price jump. Psychological resilience becomes as important as technical analysis. A calm mind is what separates experienced traders from beginners who burn out in their first months. In 2025, the landscape of trading has evolved with the increasing power of neural networks. These advanced systems are capable of processing massive volumes of data from multiple sources in real time, detecting patterns and anomalies that are impossible for the human eye to catch under pressure. In moments of volatility, a neural network does not panic. It does not hope or fear. It analyzes, it adapts, and it offers the trader a second, unbiased perspective. When used properly, such a system becomes a powerful assistant, filtering out emotional noise and allowing the trader to make more informed and logical decisions, even when the market is unstable. This doesn't mean that a neural network replaces a trader's thinking. It enhances it, especially for those still developing their psychological resilience. This support can make the difference between chaotic losses and structured learning. Volatility isn't going anywhere, but with self-discipline, emotional control, and the aid of technology, even a beginner can turn unstable markets into a training ground for consistency and long-term profit. Friends, I want to add that in my videos, I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations because my point of view is based only on my experience. In fact, in practice, I apply my trading logic and signals from a neural network to record the results. Your results may differ because trading depends on many factors. I urge you to trade responsibly and with an understanding of the market situation. Let me remind you that you can get artificial intelligence for trading for free under the terms of the promotion by following the link in the description. If you combine your technical analysis and signals from a trading bot, you can get impressive results. Meanwhile, let's sum up this trading session. With the help of signals from the neural network, I closed 5 profitable trades and significantly increased my deposit. Link to free bot is in description. For beginner, it is very convenient assistant for market analysis. It is time trade. Have a nice day. See you.